Good morning, students. Let us see about linear expansion. In the last class, we discussed about the factors on which the linear expansion, which is also called increase in length of a rod, depends. So it was original length, and increase in temperature. Increase in length is called final length minus original length. LT means the final length when a rod is heated to a temperature T. Original length is LO and increase in temperature will be T. We have one more factor, which is material of the rod, but we are not using this. We are going to derive a mathematical expression for increase in length using these two factors. So we can write increase in length, that is LT minus LO, is directly proportional to the original length. Directly proportional to original length means when we increase the original length, or when original length is more, it will also show more linear expansion. Similarly, we can also write increase in length is directly proportional to increase in temperature. It means on increasing the temperature, the linear expansion will also increase. Now combining these two, we can write is directly proportional to both original length and increase in temperature. Now to remove this proportionality sign and to change the expression into equality, we have to take one constant term. And the constant here will be alpha. So we can write LT minus LO is equal to alpha. Look like proportionality sign only, but it is alpha, which means it is coefficient of linear expansion. And then we have LO into T. So if you can know the coefficient of linear expansion of a rod, of a material, its original length and the increase in temperature, we can calculate the increase in the length of the rod. Means how much the length of the rod will increase, we can easily calculate using these three values. So this becomes a formula to find out the increase in the length of a rod. Now this alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion. Which also means the least expansion when a metal rod is heated to 1 degree Celsius. So its SI unit will be per degree Celsius. Its SI unit is per degree Celsius. So this much we have about this expression. We can see how increase in length depends on original length and the increase in temperature. We have derived a mathematical expression for this. Now this coefficient of linear expansion will depend upon the material of the rod. Different material has got different linear expansion. For example, aluminium has got the coefficient of linear expansion equal to 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. So different rods or different materials will show different coefficient of linear expansion. This is the reason why even these materials of equal length are heated equally, but because the material is different, because the coefficient of linear expansion is different, they will show unequal expansion. So next class we will see coefficient of superficial expansion. Thank you.